GM just dropped a bomb, and Ford's engineers are sweating. A leaked document from a recent GM dealership meeting has just surfaced, and it reveals the engine specs for the all-new 2027 Chevrolet Silverado. We're talking a brand new 6.6-liter V8, 6th-generation small block. And if these numbers are real, 475 horsepower from a naturally aspirated truck engine, this changes everything. Today, we break it all down. What's leaked, what GM has officially confirmed, how this engine was built, and why Ford's 5.0 Coyote just became yesterday's news. Let's go. Why this engine is a big deal. To understand why truck fans are losing their minds over this, you need to know where GM is coming from. Right now, the top gas V8 you can get in a Silverado 1500 is the 6.2-liter L87. A great engine that makes 420 horsepower. It's been the king of the half-ton segment for years. But it's also a Gen 5 engine, and it's getting old. Meanwhile, Ram showed up with a twin-turbo inline-6 Hurricane, making 540 horsepower. Ford's been pushing the 5.0 Coyote and a turbo V6 lineup. And GM has been quiet. Very quiet. Until now. GM didn't just update the old engine, they went back to the drawing board. The new Gen 6 small block is a completely fresh architecture. New block, new heads, new combustion chamber design, and 2 displacements, a 5.7-liter that brings back the legendary Chevy 350 and the monster we're here to talk about today, the 6.6-liter. And GM put serious money behind this. We're talking close to $2 billion invested across 3 engine plants, Flint, Tonawanda, and St. Catharines. You don't spend that kind of money if you're walking away from gas power. This is a statement. What the leak actually says. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't some random Reddit post or clickbait rumor. The leaked figures reportedly came out of a GM dealership meeting in Las Vegas, the kind of closed-door briefing where GM shows their own dealers what's coming before the official reveal. According to that leak, the new 6.6-liter Gen 6 V8 is targeting around 475 horsepower. The smaller 5.7-liter is expected to hit somewhere in the 420 to 430 horsepower range. Both are naturally aspirated pushrod OHV engines, classic GM small block DNA. Now, I want to be clear, GM has not officially confirmed these power figures. But the sources that publish this information, including the Fastlane Truck and GM Authority, are considered among the most reliable GM-specific outlets in the industry. These aren't guesses. This is leaked dealer intelligence. Other details from the same leak: a possible 34-gallon fuel tank that's up from the current 24 or 28 gallons, and a massive new 16.5-inch interior screen. The truck is shaping up to be a generational leap, not just a refresh. GM has officially confirmed they'll reveal the 2027 Silverado and Sierra in 2026, and production is expected to begin in late 2026 for a proper 2027 model year launch. Inside the 6.6L V8. The engineering story. Let's talk about what makes this engine special from a pure engineering standpoint, because this is where it gets really good. The Gen 6 6.6-liter GM internally calls it the 401 cubic inch was actually the original baseline displacement that GM's engineers designed the entire new small block family around. Here's something wild. When GM started designing the new Corvette's LS6 engine, they planned it as a 6.6-liter. It was only later that engineers realized adding just 2 millimeters to the stroke got them to 6.7 liters with no compromise, so the Corvette got the bigger version and trucks get the original 6.6. That means the truck engine isn't a detuned Corvette motor. It's the purpose-built foundation the whole Gen 6 family was designed around. That's a big deal. What's new inside? GM is going with a new combustion chamber design focused on better thermal management and efficiency. Cylinder deactivation stays, but with updated hardware specifically designed to last longer and be less intrusive than the Gen 5 system that gave some owners headaches. There are also strong indications that the 6.6 will get dual injection, both port and direct injection working together, similar to what GM uses on the Corvette. That combo does 2 things. It keeps power high and reduces carbon buildup on intake valves, which has been a known issue with direct injection-only engines. Structurally, the block is still pushrod OHV. And before anyone says that's old tech, let's be real. GM's small block OHV architecture is one of the most compact, lightweight, and reliable V8 designs in automotive history. You get a low center of gravity, simple maintenance, and proven longevity. There's a reason this architecture has lasted 70 years. The Gen 6 also targets a 10% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to current engines without sacrificing power. GM pulled that off through better combustion efficiency, not by going turbo or downsizing. Why Ford should be worried? So let's address the title directly. Why should Ford be scared? Here's the picture in the full-size truck segment right now. Ford's top naturally aspirated V8 is the 5.0-liter Coyote, making 400 horsepower in the F-150. Solid engine, great sound, but it's a 5.0. If these leak numbers hold, GM is about to offer 75 more horsepower from a naturally aspirated V8 and 1.6 more liters of displacement. That's not a small gap, that's a statement. Ford does offer the 3.5-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 that makes up to 400 horsepower, and that's a very capable engine for towing. But there's a cultural reality in the truck market. A lot of buyers want cubic inches and natural aspiration. No turbos, no intercoolers, just displacement and combustion. GM is betting big on that buyer, and it's a smart bet. Now, Ram is the wild card here. The twin-turbo Hurricane Inline-6 making 500-plus horsepower is legitimately impressive. But again, turbos. Some truck buyers don't trust forced induction for long-term durability and heavy towing reliability. A 475-horsepower naturally aspirated V8 from GM changes the math for those buyers completely. And here's the towing angle. Horsepower is only part of the story. What matters for towing is torque, and the leak suggests the 6.6L could push past 515 L. If that's real, we're looking at a gas V8 that goes toe-to-toe with turbocharged rivals on the spec sheet without a single turbocharger. So there it is, the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado and its leaked 475 horsepower, 6.6-liter Gen 6 V8, built from the ground up, backed by nearly $2 billion in plant investment, and designed to dominate the full-size truck war for the next decade. Is this the greatest naturally aspirated truck engine ever built? We won't know for sure until GM pulls the curtain back, and that reveal is coming before the end of 2026. But one thing is certain, GM came to fight. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you a V8 loyalist, or do you think turbo 6-cylinders are the future of trucks? Drop it in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of every engine story in the truck world, hit subscribe because this channel doesn't miss. I'll see you in the next one.